Hi kids, I wanted to take a few minutes and introduce this program to you, why we are doing it, and what to expect from it, okay? So I'll start with my introduction. I am Coach Nanda. You can call me Coach Nanda, but my full name is Anthony Nanda, and I am a software engineer, okay? But most times I like calling myself a software craftsman because there's some difference, but we don't want to go into that detail. So I've been writing code for almost 20 years now. Started also a little bit young at age 14, but I wish I started even earlier. So I like that you folks are starting this when you're a bit young. Some of you are 8 years old, 12. You could be even 14 like I was. This is a good time, and it's going to be a very great ride. I can tell you it's been a wonderful two decades of going through this, meandering through this world of software engineering and software development. This series we're going to focus mainly on Python programming. So don't worry about the details right now. We are going to go over every single thing, and we'll be very patient with you guys to make sure that you're understanding everything that we are learning. Okay? So I'm sure some of you might be coming here, you've already done maybe a bit of Scratch. Scratch is good. It's a visual, and it sort of demystifies programming and makes it approachable. But myself, I lean towards an actual programming language that you can actually use even in industry. So Python is a great language, easy to learn and very versatile. It has been used by so many people and so many places, which we'll go into in our one of our classes, coming classes. So look forward for that. Maybe if you're watching this from anywhere, maybe you didn't get to know about LKC. I'd like also to talk a little bit about LKC, Let Kids Code. This is our program that we just started. All we are trying to do is to encourage kids to code. There's so many things out there teaching kids how to code, good. But our approach is a bit different. We would like to make it more of an apprenticeship model where you're working with a coach, and the coach has only a maximum of 3 kids, so that they can give personalized approach, so that every kid's need is catered for. Another thing that I would like to mention here is this is a marathon, okay? This is not a sprint. In Python, if you want to say something is not, you put an exclamation and say like that. So this is some geek speak here. You can say exclamation sprint. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon. So don't be in a hurry. Just learn. If you don't get a concept now, repeat, try and do another in another way. Ask questions to your coaches, and don't be in a hurry. There's no hurry. You're young. You have all these years to learn this language, so just take it a day at a time, step at a time, and it's gonna be a real million miles journey. There's something that we call lifelong learning. I don't know if some of you have ever heard about this. This is if you are in a field of software craftsmanship or software engineering development. This is something that is inevitable. You always have to keep learning every day, learning a new thing. So like for me, even with the 20 years experience or 20 years writing some code that I've told you about, I still have so much to learn. Every time I have a backlog of things on things that I need to learn. Even I don't know if I will ever finish them in my lifetime. So that is how lifelong learning should be. Okay. And let me tell you a little bit about our course book. This is the book that we'll be using for these are our course material, our main course material that we'll be using. It's called Python. It's a Python projects or computer coding with Python projects for kids, written by Carol Vadaman. I really like this book. I have it, and this is actually the book that inspired us to start this program. When I saw that book and the approach that they were using to teach, I felt like, okay, now we need someone to break this down now to the level where the kids can get it slowly by slowly, because like 2 pages of this book will take us maybe even 3 lessons to just understand things and explain to you. So this is the book. If you are based in Nairobi or in Kenya, you can get it at a textbook center. I'll also put a link to where you can buy online, even on textbook center, and be shipped. So if you're within the regions of Kenya, but if you're somewhere else in the world, if you just go and search for this book on Google, you will get how you can buy it and get hold of that. So that is it, and welcome once again, welcome, and I hope to see you in class. I hope that you will enjoy and have a good time, and you form a community of learners, always learning together. So see you in the class, and enjoy. Thank you.